Hello my friends, my name is Olga K. I'm a tailor and I teach you how to sew. So today I want to show you how to change a broken zipper in the jacket. Let's go!
A zipper in my grandma's jacket has been broken, so she asked me to change it for a new one. For this work, I need a new zipper. Alice, I haven't found a zipper the same color a jacket is, so I'll use a black one because I think it looks good. Next, a thin thread number 20, the same color a jacket is. Then a little scissors and a sewing machine. First step, I'll unstitch a zipper and take out a rivet if it holds zipper. Before unstitching, I fix a width of old zipper and take a photo for myself not to forget it. It will be more easy for you to make this work if a new zipper is the same kind like an old one. And also you can draw a line with chalk. Then I break all stitches that fix a zipper. First face stitches, and when all face stitches all done, I break seams which are inside. So you can see now that the zipper get out. Please be very careful while breaking stitches for not ruin jacket fabric. Also, I advise not to take away pieces of broken stitches, for they play like marks where the edge is. Now I check a rivet, and as you can see, this one fits zipper. So I used to open it and take away. I have a special video on my channel how to remove a rivet. You can find a link in the description. So I have taken out a rivet. It was rather easy, and I hope that it will be easy to remove it back. Now one side of zipper is unstitched and I begin to do it with other side. Here is a placket. I want it not to be unstitched, and as I can see the width of zipper, it's okay and no necessary to move placket. So I have unstitched the second side of zipper in the same way. And now two hems are open. Please don't throw out old zipper before the end of the whole work, because you may use some characteristics of it through the process. At this step, you can fix hems with a thread. Do big stitches through little holes from original seams. And after that, we sew the folded edge to the hemline with basting thread, and we make it with lining too. Now we used to take away pieces of original broken stitches, and the next step, we iron hems to make it smooth. First the right side and then a wrong side. Next, I take two zippers, original and a new one, and I draw the line of hem on new zipper like it was on original, and then I make a thread tracing to fix the chalk line. Here it is. After that, I fix a zipper with hems. First, I start from the top point of right hem, connecting the top of the zipper with top of the jacket. I bend excess zipper and put it under the hem. Here at the top of the zipper, it's necessary to put the hem a little bit closer to cover some part of the slider. So I fix it with the pin, and then I connect the hem with the line and pin it all length of the zipper. So I have pinned the main hem, a face hem. Here at this step you can thread tracing before stitching on the machine for better fix the hem on the zipper and then to take away pins. But if it's comfortably, you can work only with pins. Next step, I do the same work with second hem, and it's necessary to keep symmetry of two sides. In the top point, then I connect a collar, all rivets and a lower part. Here I check the length of zipper free hem of right side and repeat the work on the second side. I do it because the length of my zipper sadly not enough for this jacket, but it's not a problem. And after that I connect the hem between the main points. So I have pinned two hems with zipper, and next step I will stitch the hem with the zipper in sewing machine. For this work we need a special zipper foot. I have this kind of stitch foot and it's okay, cause I can change the side of the foot very easy. So I take one side of the zipper, checking that lining not lay under the stitch location. I control it with my fingers. Then I check this excess staying on the place and stitch take a 1 or 2 millimeters left from hem. Please not forget to take away pins for not damage a machine before stitching. During stitching, I always control matching a line with the hem. Then we make second side the same way, but it's necessary to stitch the same course from collar to hem, like we did in left side. With this option, zipper stayed balanced. It's not easy because in this way the main amount of jacket will lay here, but it is real. If in some locations stitches are not good, like here, it happens because of this rivet. In this situation, we can turn around and make another stitching. Or we can take away 4-stitch rivet or to change a foot for some that can help. But if no of this variety useful, you can make perpendicular stitches to fix this location. Here you can see the result of this work. After 2 parts done, I close zipper and check that all points match. Here in the bottom, then I close all rivets and check in the top. Everything is alright, so I gonna stitch lining now. Here I'll do everything the same like I do with base. Now it's necessary that lining goes 1 millimeter above the line. And here it's almost important to best lining before stitch. Basting goes 2 millimeters from hem of the lining. So lining fixed, and now I will stitch second time in the stitching line that I already have on the face side of the jacket, and stitch lining with it. Through this stitching, I always check that lining lays good. After this work, I look at stitch line to be sure everything is okay and there is no wrong stitches or not fixed lining locations. Then I take away basting. Then I recover second face stitch on the line of little holes. This line I have from stitch was here originally. When I meet rivet at my way, I stop and change option of my foot and continue. New zipper was smaller than original, so I have this excess of jacket's hem, and I stitch it with 2 lines the same way like I do with zipper. I do not do basting, just stitching on machine, but carefully. One and second. Finish step is to iron hems with zipper carefully. The temperature is low. I iron with steam. It is necessary to iron not zipper but fabric. Then I recover rivet. Open it. Put on its original place and close. This instrument helps me to strengthen it. Next step, I check is it works okay. Close and open. It is all right now. If something wrong, I change it to new one. Then I need to sew additional rivet in the point of zipper tip. To close this place. So I found this beautiful rivet, the same color like originals. How to sew a rivet you can see in my another video. When I do it, I make a link in the description. Here is the result of today's work. And now I check zipper with open and close it. Then I close placket. So this jacket is ready to wear.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you want to know about sewing. Maybe I will do some video for you. And join my Telegram channel, join my VK channel. See you later in my another video. Bye bye.